Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, to be very fair, I didn't want to cook any pizzas because, come on, I can't really have pizzas every single day of the week. Otherwise, my belly is gonna forget pizzas for the next 3-4 months. Too many pizzas. So I decided to relax on my sofa and to watch some videos on YouTube. Pizza videos, of course. So I was watching different videos about pizza making, how to make pizza in different parts of the world. That's why I decided to go through all of them and to watch these videos with you and comment real time with you. If you know any weird videos about pizzas, if you're aware of very weird videos, please suggest them and leave a comment. And so next time I'm gonna watch that video. I'm gonna start with simply Sara Kitchen, US woman. Oh, 1 million views. Well, it's about Popeye pizza. Honestly, I'm a bit scared to start watching. Okay, I'm brave enough. Let's start. Simply Sara.
Welcome to another episode of Simply Sara. Today on the show we are going to be making Popeye
pizza. Woo!
And aka that's lots of spinach.
Okay, the first mystery has been revealed. This pizza is called the Popeye pizza because a lot of spinach.
So for our sauce that we're going to put down, we're going to use our traditional pizza sauce.
Okay, stop. Would you mind to explain me what the traditional pizza sauce is? Just in case, because that looks like a sort of butter, cream.
We're going to do like a garlic parmesan, kind of like our Alfredo sauce.
Okay, so it's a sauce where she's gonna add some parmesan and garlic. Maybe I'm wrong. I hope I'm wrong.
So, in a skillet, I've got a couple tablespoons of butter in this milk. I'm going to put about a couple tablespoons of flour down. This is going to be our root part.
Yeah, but it's gluten free. Okay, so let's start the best way. Okay, olive oil, whatever it is, this traditional pizza sauce. Yes. Hmm? Yeah.
Now we're just going to put in some milk.
No!
How thick?
Why?
You want your sauce.
Why?
It's starting to come together. Put some more milk in.
No. That's not traditional pizza sauce.
Back up. You might have to add a little bit more milk.
That's a puree.
Okay,
That's a cream. What's that? Looks like pasta.
I'll use that. And I buy it sometimes already peeled.
No. Oh.
But a big old package. So
Garlic.
It's easier that way.
It's not tomorrow.
And I probably
Bunch of garlic.
20 cloves in here.
20. Tuela. That's not a Popeye pizza. It's a Dracula pizza.
That way they don't burn and get moldy on me in the refrigerator.
Well, it's not garlic pizza. Actually, it's pizza garlic.
So let's pulse these up and get these grated up real fine. Depends on how much garlic you like to your sauce. So
Just few.
like what someone do about
Yeah, stop it. It's enough. Stop it.
Now we're
Okay.
ready to some Parmesan cheese.
The full parmesan inside?
We're making
No. Okay. There's some rationale behind that. So, parmesan rain on this traditional pizza sauce. Black pepper. Okay.
And just a pinch of sea salt because the
Pinch.
Parmesan is
Yeah.
really salty.
Uh,
This is your base.
You know, parmesan is salty. Everybody knows that.
Sauce.
Yeah.
With some Parmesan to it. And you can substitute this and not put Parmesan in it. And it'd be just a garlic cream sauce. You can do pasta with it or anything. Alright, I'm just going to turn it off.
Okay. Done. Is this the pizza?
The pizza dough.
Ah, the pizza dough.
I have two pizza
Woo!
down
Woo!
here. And I'm doing
What's
two
that?
pizzas today.
What's that? What's that? That's vomit. Oh, that's a fly vomit. Oh my gosh.
Got my oven preheated to 500 degrees. Because this is gluten-free dough is really sticky.
It's sticky.
That's the cat's playing if you hear
It's more milk than wherever.
I'm just going to put some on top and kind of patty it out.
That's clay.
Now this won't fill the whole.
It looks like when you go to a spa and they apply some clay on your face.
Put a little olive oil on top so my hands won't stick as easy. I part-bake mine because I like my crust not real doughy. It's up to you. You can go ahead and put all your toppings on, put them in the oven. But I like to put mine in for about 5 or 6 minutes to get them ahead.
Yes!
We'll come back
Masterpiece!
and then we'll talk. We're just going to put some of our
Oh! Slow down! What's that?
I have this pizza, similar pizza like this that
Looks like
la
crema pasticcera.
And they put theirs in the brick oven and bake them all. And they're so good. There's so many different combinations of stuff.
A custard cream.
You've seen a lot of pizzas come your way. I thought out, bring out
What's that?
water. You want to start with or just
Spinach. Spinach. Okay. That's okay. Okay. It looked much worse. Well, okay. You know.
Garlic.
No. Why? No. That's enough. Why? It's too much. Believe me. Don't do that. Every time you add some garlic more, an Italian guy dies. Yes.
Okay, we come back with a little bit more.
A little bit more, just because she forgot to add more at the very beginning. So let's add this storm of parmesan on the table as well. Yes. Ooh. Okay, that's the end.
A little bit of onion that's left in my fridge. And so I do that.
Jeez.
Just get the roll off of it. Not so as pungent.
Salted.
Needs to come back with a little bit of mozzarella.
Okay, mozzarella? Which mozzarella? No! Grated mozzarella! Probably the worst scene ever. If there's a god of pizza, he's gonna...
And then pop back into the oven for about, I don't know, 5 to 6. Okay, 6 to 7 minutes. Just so you know we're done.
Thank you so much. Tasty. Wow, it's a mamma mia pizza.
Pizzas with lots of spinach.
Lot of spinach. Thank you for visiting. See you next time. Oof. Honestly, this has been an experience. Ooh. Okay, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave a comment, and if you know any videos like this one, suggest it. So next time I'm gonna watch the video you suggested. And then remember, there's my pizza class available on Udemy, The Art of Pizza Making, where you are gonna learn how to make a pizza at home, which tastes and looks like a pizza in pizzeria. See you next time, guys. Ciao! Hey, where are you going? I was just joking. So, like this video to watch more, leave a comment, subscribe my channel, ring the bell to activate the notifications, enroll my pizza class on Udemy, link in the description. Follow me on Instagram as Gigio Pizza, on Facebook as Runaway Dough, and use the hashtag Gigio Pizza when you publish your pizzas. See you next time!